Becoming an entrepreneur is one of the quickest ways to become broke, and I'll tell you why. If you don't understand pricing, profit, spending, budgeting, you will quickly lose money. So today I want to give you some tips on how to avoid doing that. And I'm going to give you my decor formula so that you can have an easy strategy to price your packages. Hi there, welcome back to our 30-day series on business tips for hotel room decorators, picnic planners, and other intimate event decorators. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. My company is Luxvents, and we decorate hotel rooms for birthdays, anniversaries, and beyond. You can check out our website right here. So during this series, my goal is to answer a lot of questions that I've received on starting a room decorating business. And one of the big ones, how do I price my services? I'm going to give you a quick and easy formula today on how to price your room decoration services. This formula can be used for hotel room decorators, picnic planners, and intimate event decorators. So I've created an acronym, and the acronym is DECOR, D-E-C-O-R. So first is D. You're going to determine your cost. Okay, so you're going to make a list of everything that you are going to use to do your decorations. Balloons, flowers, ribbon, tape, whatever you're using in your decoration, you're going to determine that amount first. So for this example, let's say we've added everything up and the cost is $50. Then we can move on to E, which is to estimate. So when you estimate, you're going to determine your labor cost. Now, if you're saying, okay, Cherie, I don't have any employees, well, you got to make sure you pay yourself, right? If it's for you, you're going to estimate your hourly rate times the amount of time that it will take you to complete the job. Or if you have employees, you're going to estimate the cost for your employees. Payroll taxes need to be added into this step. Consult your accountant to be able to come up with an accurate number. So we're going to do a simplified version and estimate that this particular job will take about 2 hours of labor. And don't forget that time that you're assembling all of your items together for the decoration. So let's make it simple for the purposes of just figuring everything out. And we're going to estimate that to complete this particular job, it will take 2 hours, and that our hourly rate is $20 for a total of $40. And look, if this content is helping you, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe. It means so much to you, girl, and I really appreciate it. So next is C for calculate. In this step, you add up your overall costs. So that would be your materials, which you did when you determined, and your labor, which you did when you estimated. That would be $50 for materials, $40 for labor, which is a total of $90. Next is O, which is overhead and optimize. This is where you adjust your pricing to assure that you include a fixed profit and account for any unexpected expenses. So first you're going to add a fixed profit amount to each one of your packages. Let's say I want to do $100 for this particular package. I also want you to consider a reasonable markup for your packages. So for this particular package, let's say we're going to add on a 50% markup. So the total cost of our package is $90. If we add in a 50% markup, that will give you $45. If you have monthly expenses like rent, utilities, marketing, you will also add it in at this step. So how do you calculate your overhead costs? Well, you're going to have to do some estimating. So let's say, for example, you expect to do 5 jobs per month and your overhead cost is $500. Then you will want to take 500 divided by 5, which will give you 100, and add that on to every package so that you are able to cover your overhead costs. So are you ready? Let's add it up right here. So for our example, we determined that our total cost was $90. And then we did a markup of 50%, which was an additional $45. We also determined that we wanted to make a fixed profit of $100 off of every package. And finally, we said that we probably would have an overhead cost of $100 per month. Add everything up, our total package price is $335. So after you've done all this, your total price is a great starting point, when you determine exactly how much you want to charge for your packages. It's not set in stone. You can always change it. You can always adjust it. But you need to kind of have an idea of the numbers. There you have it, my decor pricing formula. I hope this helps you to simplify the process of pricing. And like I said earlier, please consult with an accountant to help you just to tweak everything and just to be able to make sure that you remain profitable. Try it out. Let me know how it works in the comments below. So I'm going to leave you like I always do. Life is a collection of moments that deserve to be celebrated. So make sure you get out and do exactly that. See you next time.